Continuation of The Lion Sleeps Tonight. We did the melody yesterday. So today I'm going to show you the high part and the chords. So let's start with the chords. Our first chord the chord progression is 4 measures long, and so I have a repeat sign at the end. You would repeat this chord progression twice to fit the length of the melody, which is 8 measures long. The first chord is the 1 chord, and we're in the key of G, so that's our G chord. So we have the root is the tonic. I have all the tonics marked with the shape instead of a regular note head, a trapezoid shape. That's our tonic, just so we could sort of compare and see which notes are in common in the different chords. And the dominant is this oval shape, and then the other notes are just regular note heads. So we have the root, the 3rd and the 5th, G, B, D, and I just have the G repeated. So that would be, here's our do. It's actually down here, but I'm going to sing it here. Do, mi, so, mi, do. That's our 1 chord G. I didn't write that in. The 4 chord, if the 1 chord is G, G, A, B, C. So the R represents the root. I've written on R here to represent the root. So the root of the 4 chord is C, the 3rd is E, and the 5th is G. This one sounds, if our tonic is do, this do, re, mi, fa, this one starts on fa, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, fa. And then back to 1, do, mi, so, do, so, mi, do. The root is do. And then the root of the 5 chord is the 5th note in our scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do. So we have do, mi, so, ti, re, so, re, so. Do, mi, so, mi, do. Do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do. Do, so, ti, re, so, do. So if you're going to sing harmony with this, each of these notes is one of the harmony notes that would go along with our melody. In the jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Now let's look at the high part. First, let's get the pitches. That's so, do, mi, so, fa, so, fa, mi, so. And our rhythm, let me point here, get my pointer. Let's do this measure first. So we have, this is a syncopated rhythm, not exactly the same pattern as we have up here, but let's see how, here's our beat. We'll go kind of slow. Ta, dee, 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 ta. And that's tied together, so you just hold it out. Ta, dee, 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 ta, ta. Now this rhythm is actually the same as this rhythm if you take the ties away. So the rhythm, without the ties, would be ta, dee, 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 ta. Ta, dee, 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 ta. Now if we put the ties in, this short 8th note is tied to this whole note, so we get this. Ta, dee, 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 ta, dee, 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 ta. Ta, dee, 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 ta, dee, 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 ta. And the melody goes like this. And in the music music of the song, they sing, Wimoweh. At the same time, you have Wimoweh, Wimoweh, Wimoweh going on. All of this in the background. Your chords. You have. And at the same time, you have in the jungle, a mighty jungle. So all of those things going on at the same time, you need to go find a few friends and see if you can do this together. That's all for today.